Arthur, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Wanted to do a video of the Tenorite Gray Metallic crew van, four-wheel drive for you. The first thing we can notice right up front is the nice chrome grille. And also where this van has the 360-degree camera, there's a camera right here underneath of the grille. And then you can see in the front bumper, if you look pretty close, are the safety sensors for you. And I'll display and go over some of the features inside the van with you when we jump in. And you can see it's got the nice black wheels. Very nice. And then when we open the sliding door, we have your bench seat right here. It's leatherette seating, which is very nice. Also, these seats do recline for comfort, and you have your lever right here. So they do go back. You got about 6 inches there, which makes it a lot more comfortable for your passengers. Also, this bench seat is removable. There's a lever underneath. 2 people, you just push down the lever, it'll pop out, and 2 people can take the seat out very, very easily. And then you can see this van has the wood floor. Also, it has an anti-slip coating, so when you get in and out of the van, you won't just slip on here if your feet are wet. And we'll come around here to the back of the van. So this Sprinter van also has the 270-degree door, so it's got the triple hinges. Very nice. So it latches in place for you right here at 90 degrees. And then it'll open up to 180 degrees. And the wind's blowing a little bit, and it kind of latches in place, and then it will go all the way to 270 degrees. So the door won't just hit you. And then you can see here the more safety sensors here in the rear bumper. And also this van is pre-wired for your trailer hitch. Your wiring's right here. It's got a 7-way connector, so you can plug in a trailer. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds with the van as well. And then your backup camera is located just above the third brake light, which is really nice too for visibility behind you. So Arthur, we're going to hop in the cab of the van. I'm going to go over some of the features inside the van, and we're going to go for a short test drive. Hi Arthur, so we're sitting here in the cab of the Sprinter van. What a great crew van this is. I'm going to start out right up here on the dash. So we have a nice storage compartment here. We also have 2 C drive ports. So when you get your C drive, you can actually hook your Droid or iPhone, whichever you have, and you can get Apple CarPlay in here, and it will display on this nice screen. So I'm going to go over this with you. So we compare your phones right here. You compare up to 2 phones, which is really nice. Takes about 30 seconds to pair a phone on here. Connects really fast. And then we have your navigation system. And you can also, just like on your phone, you can shrink the screen and you can blow it up. And you can actually just play around with it and get it where you'd like. And then we have some other features here. You can here's your Sirius Xm Radio, FM and AM. And this is voice command. You can tell the system what station you want it to be on as well. And then we have a media setup here. You can stream your phone or other devices through the system. And then we have an info center right here. So this shows 2.4 miles per gallon. Well, the van only has just a few miles on it, so that's not accurate. But after you get to using the van and go for some trips or whatever, you can see an accurate fuel economy. Also, there's an app store. Now this app store does not become active until the Pro connectivity is activated. Once that's activated, which I can do that right from my laptop once you purchase the van, then you'll have access to the apps. And then your vehicle settings are right here. So all of our vans come with ESP. ESP is stability control to help keep all 4 tires on the ground. You have lane tracking assist and parking assist as well. And then we can scroll through, so you have your parking camera, you have lane keeping assist, active brake assist. The active brake assist is pretty neat. So it actually shows you the vehicle in front of you. And you have attention assist, blind spot assist, some really nice features. Now I'm going to display the backup camera for you too. So you have 6 different options here for backup cameras, and here's your 360 view. And if you did put a trailer hitch on, you can line that yellow mark up with your drawbar. Very easy to hook up a trailer. And there's your regular backup camera. And there's a wide angle. And then this one, the exterior mirrors have cameras on the bottom of the mirrors, so you can get your blind spot on each side of the van before you pull out of space or something. You could actually look at that quickly and make sure there's nobody in your blind spot. And there's a front view, and there's a wide angle front view. So it's pretty neat. This van also has your cruise control is over here on the steering wheel on the left hand side. And then on the right hand side you can control the volume of your radio. You can answer your phone and hang it up. There's also a mouse here that you can scroll through the MBUX system. And then you have heated seats too, so I'll have my videographer, she can look right at the heated seat switch where it's located. And the other one for the driver's side is located in the same spot on the driver's side door. Van has heated electric folding mirrors, which is really nice. And we're going to go for a test drive around our parking lot, Arthur. This has an electronic e-brake too, so we got to pull that e-brake out too. And the Sprinter vans are very, very maneuverable. They get around in tight spots really good. You can see how this gentleman, he's back in a van and in front of us into a really tight spot, and sorry for the delay, Arthur. We just got to wait for this gentleman to park this van in front of us. All right, I think we can squeak by him here now. So as you can see, we have a lot of vehicles in our parking lot here, and we can maneuver around quite easily. And I'm going to display that backup camera for you one more time when I'm backing this van back into its parking spot. Alright, so you can see the 2 vans on either side of us. You can follow the yellow lines right into the parking spot. I do use my mirrors too when I'm backing into a spot, but I do like to display that camera because it is a nice, very nice, neat backup camera. And you can see the lawn behind us and everything, so that backup camera works very nice. So Arthur, thank you very much for your business as well. I'm going to have one of my business managers reach out to you, and I hope you and your wife have enjoyed the video. Please feel free to reach back out to me after you get the video. Let me know how you like it. And my cell phone number is 207-838-0169. Thanks, Arthur, and have a great afternoon.